Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have a SENA 50S motorcycle helmet Bluetooth headset intercom and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this headset is not connecting to your Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting or seems to be not responding or not detected and things like that, and you've already tried a soft fault reset reboot and it didn't work, we can go ahead and proceed to a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, if you do this, you're going to need to set everything up again because everything will be wiped off and it will be like it was when it came out of the box. But if that's something you want to do, that's really the second reason you might want to do this, is if you just, for whatever reason, you just want to get a fresh start, like you're just taking this out of the box new, we can go ahead and do that. It's really simple to do. All you're going to do is go and press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, at which point you will hear it audibly say factory reset. And once it does that, you'll just come in and press the center button to confirm it, at which point it will say reset complete, goodbye, and it will turn off. And then you can go ahead and turn it back on and set it up as a new device.